Why does my parking sensor keep going off? Fix in minutes. Your parking sensor is likely going off due to accumulated dirt, moisture, or physical damage obstructing the sensor, environmental factors like heavy rain or extreme temperatures, or electrical issues like loose connections or a faulty control module. To troubleshoot, thoroughly clean all sensors, check for any physical damage, ensure wiring connections are secure, and consider the environmental conditions. Here are some troubleshooting steps. Clean the sensors. Use a soft cloth to thoroughly clean the surfaces of all your parking sensors. Inspect for damage. Look closely at each sensor for any visible scratches, dents, or other damage. Check electrical connections. If you're comfortable, check the wiring and connectors associated with the sensors to ensure they are secure and free of corrosion. Consider environmental factors. If it's raining heavily, try to drive for a while to see if the issue resolves as the sensors dry out. When to seek professional help. If cleaning the sensors and checking the connections doesn't solve the problem, or if you suspect a more significant issue like a damaged wiring harness or control module, it's best to have a qualified mechanic inspect the system.